Healthy birth for a happy nation. Today is day 39, batch 3. There shall be no loss in anything you do. There is something I want to talk about briefly, and it's about focus. We must be focused in anything we do. There are many reasons why some people don't achieve what they want to achieve, or what they're supposed to achieve in months. It takes them years to achieve. It's lack of focus. Please, we need to be focused in everything we do. Even in the poultry farming, we need to be focused. Thank you. There shall be no loss in anything we do. God bless us all in Jesus' name. And don't forget to follow, drop your comments, like this video. We are here to learn from each other. God bless us all. There shall be no loss in anything we do. In Jesus' name, amen.